Hello, friends. Welcome to Soviet Farm Tech. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most legendary machines in Soviet agriculture, the SK-5 Niva combine harvester. This machine was not just a piece of equipment. It represented an entire era, helping millions of people feed a vast country and becoming a symbol of Soviet agricultural power. In the 1960s, the Soviet Union needed new, more productive machines for harvesting grain. Older models could no longer handle the scale of the country, where fields stretched for tens of kilometers. In 1967, the SK-5 Niva was introduced at the Rostselmash factory in Rostov-on-Don. The abbreviation SK stood for Self-Propelled Combine, and the number 5 indicated its performance class. The machine quickly gained popularity thanks to its combination of simplicity, reliability, and high productivity, making it ideal for Soviet conditions. The combine was powered by a diesel engine of about 120 horsepower. The cutting width of the header was 4.1 meters, and the grain tank capacity was 3 cubic meters. It could harvest up to 5 kilograms of grain per second, which was an impressive figure for that time. Its simple and reliable design allowed operators to repair the Niva right in the field, which made it a favorite among farmers. Over time, the combine was produced in several modifications. The SK-5M version had an improved engine and higher performance, and some models even featured cabins with ventilation and air conditioning, a real luxury for Soviet machinery. In the 1980s, new versions were released with wider headers and upgraded grain tanks, and exported models were adapted to local climates and working conditions. For decades, the Niva remained the main machine for grain harvesting across the Soviet Union. It worked on millions of hectares, from the Ukrainian steppes to the Kazakh plains and the harsh lands of Siberia. Production was massive. Over 500,000 units were built in the first decades alone. Moreover, the Niva was exported to Eastern Europe, Asia, and even Africa, becoming the first introduction to Soviet machinery for many farmers. The combine was famous for its durability. It could work where Western machines quickly failed in dusty steppes, uneven terrain, and extreme temperatures. Operators affectionately called it the workhorse because the Niva allowed for higher yields and greater mechanization of labor. Even today, more than half a century later, SK-5 Niva combines can still be found operating on farms in Russia, Kazakhstan, and Ukraine. The SK-5 Niva was not just a machine, it was an era. It helped feed millions of people and became a symbol of Soviet agriculture. Reliable, simple, and long-lasting, the Niva remains a legend in the memories of operators and agricultural machinery enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Soviet Farm Tech, like this video, and stay tuned for more stories about legendary Soviet machines.